Welcome to Online Money by Jay. In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw USDT from your Bybit account to your Bitget account. It is very simple and easy, like it is a very smooth process. It's not difficult. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, I'm going to log into my Bybit account where the funds are. This is Bybit account. So once you are logged into your Bybit account, you click on assets. You click on assets. If you have a coin, the total amount will show here in this total asset to show in USDT. You understand? So now you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it will load. Then you search for USDT. Now this is the section which you need to fill. Here you input your address. I will tell you how to get your USDT address from Bitget, and then here you choose the network you want to use. Let's take, for example, we want to use this network TRC20, which is very cheap, or we can use BSC BEP20, which the fee is just $1. So now the total amount you want to withdraw, like noted here, is minimum is 10 USDT. So let's say you have 100, you input the 100 USDT. Now what we do now is to log into our Bitget account. This is Bitget. Let it open. This is my Bitget. Then you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, click on USDT. Let's wait for it to load. Remember, the network that we choose on Bybit is this BEP20 Binance Smart Chain. So I click on it. This is the deposit address. You click copy. Once it is copied, you head back to Bybit. Then you click here. You click and hold. So this paste option will show. Then you click on paste. Once it is paste, that is all. It will show the withdrawal fee, which is $1. The amount you are withdrawing, you click withdraw. The fee will be deducted from the amount. That is all. Once you click on withdraw, just wait for some few minutes. You will receive the USDT in your Bitget account. It is simple as that. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.